In this tutorial, I'll show you how to unhide a database title in Notion. If your database name is hidden and you want to make it visible again, you can do it in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Open the Notion page that contains the database whose title is hidden. Hover your cursor over the database, then click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the database. From the menu, select Layout to open the display settings for that database. In the Layout settings, look for the Show Data Source Title option. If it's turned off, click the toggle to turn it on. Your database title will immediately appear at the top of the database. If you ever want to hide the title again, simply return to the same setting and turn the toggle off. If you don't see the option, make sure you're editing the original database and that you have permission to modify it. Refreshing the page can also help if the settings don't update right away. That's how to unhide a database title in Notion. Thanks for watching.